What's up, y'all? Josh Todd here. Today is going to be the second part to the mushroom storage videos. Just to give us a little update. The mushroom I put into the plastic reusable Peak Fresh bag. Peak Fresh. Let's check it out. This is day 2. Still looks pretty much brand new, freshly picked. I say it's doing a pretty good job. That's the bag back in there. I'm gonna do this about every 2 days and see the progress. So that was that one, and the brown bag. Let's look in here. This one here, I would say pretty much the same thing. It looks like I just picked it. So both of them are doing really well. I kind of thought so. So yeah, stay tuned, and we will see you on day 4.